Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Good morning. I just wanted to make this very easy, fast video for you guys. Just letting you know how to make your Bragg's apple cider vinegar concoction drink. Now I get a lot of questions asking me about this drink. And no matter how many times I make a video on it, you still ask. So I'm going to show you. Alright? Now this is how I'm starting my morning every day. I use my Bragg's apple cider vinegar and I put 2 tablespoons in my 8 ounce of unfiltered water. You could use filtered water, you can use spring water, either one is fine. Now I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of my lemon juice. Now if you have regular lemons, real lemons, you use the juice of a half a lemon or lime, but I'm going to use, matter of fact, 2 teaspoons of my real lemon juice because I like mine's tart and the lemons help suppress your appetite. Next I'm going to add a dash of my cayenne pepper. Now this is what spices it up. This is what helps burn that fat, heats up your body. That's more than a dash, but I like it. And last, I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of honey in my glass. Okay, that's about a teaspoon. And then I'm just mixing it in. Now, if some of you want cinnamon, you can add cinnamon. It's up to you. If you want ginger, you can put ginger powder or ginger root. You can use that in there as well. But this is how I start my morning, fast, easy, and usually on an empty stomach, you guys. Okay? Usually 20 minutes after you get up out of your bed, make this drink right away. That's the time when your belly and your stomach starts getting itself ready. So this is a wonderful help when it comes to your morning go. This is going to help to boost that up. And you make this drink 20 minutes before each meal. 20 minutes before your lunch and 20 minutes before your dinner. And you can also make it again before bedtime. Alright? So that's it, you guys. That's how you make your Bragg's apple cider vinegar weight loss concoction drink. This is a powerful drink. This is what started me off on my weight loss journey. This is what got me to losing 50 pounds without any exercising. And I saw weight loss within, I would say, 2 to 3 weeks after being on it, consistently drinking it 3 times a day. Alright? As well as eating healthy, getting rid of unwanted, unnecessary meals and bad habits. You will see weight loss, okay? 50 pounds lost in 5 months, and some people even less time than that. And don't forget, when you are drinking your Bragg's apple cider vinegar in the morning, always use a straw. And I suggest checking down below in the description bar for these wonderful reusable metal straws, which is safe for your enamel, safe for your teeth, okay, protecting it from the acids. And it's always best, if you're going to drink your apple cider vinegar, drink it with a straw. So check down below for the links for these wonderful reusable, washable metal straws, okay? Alright, you guys, so thank you for joining me on this wonderful video of how I start my morning, how I get it going in the morning, kickstart my intestines, get my body right, boost it with energy. This is a great fat burner, so it's going to heat you up, it's going to get you going, it's going to accelerate your body. Then 20 minutes later, have your breakfast, which is how I'm starting my morning, with my peanut butter Irish sea moss smoothie. And then after that, I follow the rest of the day eating healthy light meals. For those of you who want to know how to kickstart your morning, how to get your detox journey going, clean your bowels out, clean your intestines out, this is how you do it. You do this every single day, all right? Consistently, 3 times a day if you're trying to lose weight. If not, and you're just trying to get your body going, to heal your body from high blood pressure, diabetes, then you can do this 1 time for the day, or in the morning, and then again right before bed, as well as eating healthy. You will heal your body from those medications that you are on, if you are on any medications, okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Check out down in the description bar for wonderful items as far as the blenders, the reusable straws, and more, okay? I also have some Bragg's apple cider vinegar down there, as well as the real lemon juice. For those of you who can't get it in your part of town, I have links that you can actually order this and have it shipped to your door, okay? So you guys, thank you again for joining me. And again, you guys, don't forget to share these with your friends and family who are also trying to lose weight and get that body snatched for the summer, okay? Share these videos, all right? As well as join me again in the next wonderful weight loss video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvetlox. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.